Good morning. How's your day starting?
Good morning. It's going well. I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
I'm an early riser. I wake up at 5:30 a.m. After waking up, what do you do?
I brush my teeth and take a shower to freshen up.
That's a good start. I also brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I have breakfast.
I have breakfast too. I like cereal and a glass of orange juice.
Nice choice. I usually have toast and coffee for breakfast. What's next in your routine?
I get dressed for work. I leave home around 8:30 a.m.
I'm already at work by then. My workday starts at 9 a.m.
At work, I check emails and start my tasks. I work until lunchtime.
I have meetings in the morning. After that, I take a lunch break around noon.
I have lunch at the office. A sandwich or salad, usually.
I go out for lunch sometimes. I like trying different restaurants.
After work, I head home. I enjoy some leisure time, maybe read or watch TV.
I usually have errands to run after work, but I relax in the evening.
It's nice to unwind. I cook dinner and then it's bedtime by 10 p.m.
I eat dinner around 7 p.m. and stay up a bit later. Well, that's a simple daily routine for both of